Ever notice someone says, "I sleep 5 hours and feel amazing," while you get 8 and still feel exhausted? The difference isn't just time, it's how you sleep. Your brain doesn't count hours, it tracks sleep cycles, about 90 minutes each. What really restores you is deep sleep, where your body repairs and releases growth hormones, and REM sleep, where your brain processes emotions and stores memories. If blue light, caffeine, or stress interrupts these stages, you wake up drained. That's called fragmented sleep. Your body rests, but your mind doesn't fully recover. Second, protect your circadian rhythm. Sleeping and waking at consistent times trains your brain to release melatonin properly, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up clearer. Third, use the 90-minute rule. Plan sleep in 4.5, 6, or 7.5 hour blocks to avoid waking mid-cycle and feeling groggy. Fourth, try the 3-2-1 wind down. No heavy meals 3 hours before bed, no work 2 hours before, no screens 1 hour before. Finally, get morning sunlight and brief movement or cold water to boost serotonin, dopamine, and alertness. Don't just sleep longer, sleep smarter.